Hello. Welcome to our hotel.
Hi. Thank you for having me.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do. My name is Tom.
Let me check for you.
Sure, take your time.
I found your reservation.
That's great. Thank you.
You booked a room for 2 nights.
Yes, that is correct.
What time will you check in?
I will check in now.
Perfect. Here is your key.
What is my room number?
Your room is number 205.
Is there an elevator here?
Yes, the elevator is over there.
Thank you. Where is breakfast served?
Breakfast is on the first floor.
What time does breakfast start?
It starts at 7 a.m.
And when does it end?
It ends at 10 a.m.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
I will. Is there a gym?
Yes, the gym is on the second floor.
What are the gym hours?
The gym is open 24 hours.
That's very convenient.
Yes, it is. Do you need help?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Do you need extra towels?
Yes, please. 2 extra towels.
I will bring them to your room.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Is there a swimming pool here?
Yes, the pool is outside.
What are the pool hours?
The pool is open until 9 p.m.
Can I swim at night?
Yes, but the lights are on.
That sounds nice.
Do you need a map of the area?
Yes, that would be helpful.
Here is a map for you.
Thank you. Where can I eat?
There are many restaurants nearby.
Can you recommend one?
Sure. Try the Italian place.
What is it called?
It's called Bella Italia.
How far is it from here?
It's just a 5-minute walk.
Perfect. I will go there later.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. What about laundry?
We have a laundry service here.
How does it work?
Just fill out a form.
Where can I find the form?
The form is at the front desk.
I will do that later.
Do you need anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Okay. Have a great day.
You too.
If you need help, just ask.
I will. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
How do I get to my room?
Take the elevator to the second floor.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Safe travels.
I will be back soon.
I look forward to it.
Is there a coffee shop nearby?
Yes, just around the corner.
What time does it open?
It opens at 6 a.m.
Great. I love coffee.
Me too. What's your favorite?
I like cappuccino the best.
That's a good choice.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I need it to wake up.
I understand that feeling.
What else do you like?
I enjoy tea as well.
Tea is nice and relaxing.
Yes, especially in the evening.
Do you have any plans today?
I want to explore the city.
That sounds fun.
Any suggestions on where to go?
Visit the museum and the park.
Thank you for the tips.
You're welcome. Have a great time.
I will. See you later.
Bye.
Enjoy your day.